This custom estate is on over an acre. It's a hillside lot with over 4,700 square feet and 7 bedrooms. This is a truly spectacular home with amazing views. Come check it out.
Set against the natural desert landscape, this estate provides a rare sense of privacy and tranquility. Spend your days soaking in the Arizona sunshine by the sparkling pool, while the expansive covered patio creates the perfect backdrop for outdoor entertaining.
This custom estate is ready for you to put your finishing touches on. It has a wonderful floor plan with a ground floor primary and all the bedrooms upstairs and ample space for entertaining.
Inside the home presents a unique opportunity to personalize and complete the space to reflect your own style and vision.
If you're looking for views, look no further. This home could be yours for just under $1 million.